Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Chef. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, magluluto tayo ng special chicken caldereta for dinner. Magpainit ng mantika, magis ng sibuyas, bawang. Igisa na rin natin ang ating chicken. Magad tayo ng salt and pepper to taste, oyster sauce, soy sauce, at peanut butter. Continue lang ang ating pagkikisa nito hanggang lumabas ang kanyang aroma. Meron pa tayong grapefruit juice for cold drinks. Magad pa tayo ng chicken cubes, 3 pirasong cloves, 1 pirasong pilip at counting star anise, hot water at continue ang ating pagluluto hanggang lumambot ito at ilalagay natin ang ating slice of carrots and potato. Magad din tayo ng ating tomato paste at antayin natin lumambot ang ating carrots and potato. I-add na natin ang ating green bell pepper. Ready to serve ng ating masarap special chicken caldereta at naglagay tayo ng coriander leaves para sa ating dressing. Kain tayo guys for masarap na dinner. For main dish yung ating special chicken caldereta at meron pa din tayong chicken feet caldereta. Fresh grapefruits, fresh milk, yung ating apple tea with fresh mint leaves. Let's enjoy the food. At magluluto tayo para sa ating lunch. Meron tayong special paksyo na fish. In a cooking pot, mag-arrange ng maraming sibuyas, maraming luya, counting bawang, counting vinegar, counting water, salt and pepper to taste, at magic syrup. At takpan natin ito at para maluto ito. Maglalagay din tayo ng at pag naluto na ay maglalagay tayo ng ating mga fresh gulay. Meron tayong okra and fresh eggplant. Takpan natin ito para maluto ang ating mga gulay at antayin nating umunti ang sabaw ng ating special paksyo na fish. Meron pa tayong for hot drinks yung ating apple tea with fresh mint leaves. Kain tayo guys! Ready to serve ng ating food at luto na rin ng ating masarap na paksyo na fish with fresh gulay. Meron pa tayong fresh milk, fresh yogurt, strawberry flavor, assorted fruits, meron tayong black grapes, green grapes, and green apple. Kain tayo guys! Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Masarap talaga ang ating special paksyo na fish with fresh gulay. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching my video. And see you for my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.